Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andre Jomo. I'm a civil engineer and a lecturer. So the job we have in our hand today is to provide a section view of the model in front of us. Why do we need a section view? It's just because it allows us to view the inside of a model. So let's get started. You see this I-beam? Do not click on it. Click on new right here. See, make sure you go on drawing and choose the standard IDW and create. Now let's go on base. Our model is right on our screen. As you can see, none of these views allows us to see the inside of the model. So let's click on OK if you're happy with the scale. Now let's go on section. As you can see, the model is being highlighted. Now if you go and click inside, draw a straight line right up there, then move your line all the way down. Make sure it's a straight line, please. You see, it allows you to draw as many lines as possible, but we don't want to draw more than one line. So right click and go on, click on continue. So as you can see here, the direction changes. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. Make sure you're happy with the scale. Our scale here is 1 to 14. So I'm going to put it right here. As you can see, now we have this A section view of our model. As you can see here, we are able to see the inside of the model, right? Whereas here we cannot, but here we can see the inside of the model. So we can have a look and appreciate. Perfect. So ladies and gentlemen, we arrive at the end of our video. I hope you learn a few things here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.